Welcome to FIARL. In this video, we will show you how to update packaging info and images via file. Log into your panel, go to products, update product via file. This will take you to this screen. Select packaging info and images, download the data file to update. When you click on this, the file would download to your system. So you need to open the file, which will look like this. Now here you have details like minimum items in box, maximum items in a box, and box length, width, height, and dimension units, and options for images. Now minimum items in a box means number of items that would be there in that box. Now if it is a set of 5, it would be 5 items in a box. Maximum items in a box is 1, that is a set. And box length, width, and height means the box in which the product would be packed. So we need to mention the correct information over here, and the unit, it can be either in centimeter or in inches. For images, you can put links of Google Drive and Dropbox. You can put the link, save the file, and come back to your panel, click on next. This will take you to this page. Here you need to choose the file and select the file from your system and click on upload data file. When you click on this, the details would get updated and it would reflect on your panel. You can check the details by going to products, update listed products, and here you can find the packaging details that we have corrected. Items in a box 5, box length 10, box height 10, box width 10 centimeter. So once all these changes are done, you can verify again, and if required, you can do the corrections again. And in case if you face any difficulties or have any doubts, you can write to us at sellers@fiarl.com. Thank you.